everybody. In the last lecture, we learned how to make affirmative sentences using the verb to be. تعلمنا كيف نكتب جملة مثبتة باستخدام فعل الكينونة. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to write negative sentences using the verb to be. في هذه المحاضرة سنتعلم كيف نكتب جملة منفية باستخدام فعل الكينونة. In this column, we have the pronouns I, he, she, it, you, we, they. In the second part, we have the verb to be am, is, are. To write a negative sentence, we need the word not. لنكتب جملة منفية نحتاج للأداة not. أداة النفي not. We put the not word or the word not after the verb to be am, is, are. I am not old. He is not old. She is not old. It is not old. You are not old. We are not old. They are not old. D. Negative sentences with contractions. جمل منفية مع اختصار. كيف نختصر الجملة المنفية؟ We have two ways. لدينا طريقتان. Either to contract the verb to be with the pronoun. نختصر الفعل مع الضمير. I am not old. He's not old. She's not old. It's not old. You're not old. We're not old. They're not old. أو بالطريقة الثانية negative sentences with the contracted form of the verb. نختصر الفعل مع أداة النفي not. لدينا الفعل الأول am لا يختصر مع not. إما نختصره بالطريقة الأولى I am not أو نضعه كما هو I am not. I am not old. بينما فعلي is و are اختصران مع الأداة not isn't aren't. He isn't old. She isn't old. It isn't old. You aren't old. We aren't old. They aren't old.